Should have used an eye cream on that as well. I don't have the time at this time. I don't have the time at this time. Hi everybody, how you doing? So I'm quickly rushing off to church. But if you are in Lagos, and I don't know about other parts of Nigeria, if this Harmattan sort of affected there, but like all of a sudden, in my nephew's voice, all of a sudden, actually I was at my friend's house, right? And I left the house early in the morning, so we sort of slept with the AC on, right? And then I came out in the morning, like I was already preparing myself, like, oh my god, you know that thing when you come out from a place that was heavily AC'd, and then you step out into like normal weather, and then the heat just hits you. I was just preparing for that, and I stepped out, and it was still cold. So I'm like, and I realized that it was actually Harmattan. So obviously, routines should change. Ideally, your skincare routines should change depending on the weather. So we have this like 2-day, I don't know how long it's going to be, started yesterday. My church member said this video, say, yeah, so this is what you're doing instead of being in church. So I've already had my bath, washed my face. That's why my eyes are swollen, they are looking swollen. To start with, I use these roll-ons during Harmattan as opposed to the shea one. That's what I call it, the shea one. You know, in December or during the Christmas, Harmattan came a few times, and I realized that I prefer to use these ones during Harmattan than the shea one. I don't know what I mean by the shea one, whatever. Yeah, so I already used this for my underarm. So the first thing I'll typically use is this. So I just have like 2 pumps. Because I still don't trust this Lagos weather, you can apply everything and all of a sudden the Harmattan, by 10 o'clock now, you're not seeing Harmattan anymore. So, I do this first. Okay, I locked my window. I wanted to say, ha ha ha, my name is after me. Why did I feel like the Harmattan has suddenly disappeared? But I just realized I closed my window. So while we're waiting for this, please tell me if you're going to church today and tell me that you're watching this video. Okay, anyway, I'm not even going to put it up while I'm in church. I'll obviously just like it much later today after church is over. But I hope you'll be watching this video, you know, I don't know, after you come back from church. Even though I'm not going to edit it. It doesn't matter. People get my drink. I hope you're going to actually go to church in person today. This is 2025. No, I will stream from home. The first thing I used was my Snail Mucin. This is like a classic, no leave, no transfer, literally. So this is Junederm. This is a Nigerian brand. I just started to use them during the Christmas holiday. So yeah, I'll just take, like, to say I'm using this sparingly is an understatement because I don't want anybody to take me by surprise. Just wait for another, how many seconds? So like I've been using this for a while, and I've you know, so far like I've sort of been enjoying it. So I typically don't do moisturizers, right? The moment I'm doing my essence, like Snail Mucin or something, I'm good. But during that brief deceptive Harmattan in December, I actually started to use this. Although this I got gifted by Nobia. This is really like a really great moisturizer, honestly. This and the eye cream is like my favorite anything of them. But I generally enjoy this. Even the nights where there's no electricity, I'm actually able to use this and sleep really well, and it doesn't feel like weighty. So this is a very a multifaceted moisturizer that provides hydration, barrier repair, skin brightening, anti-aging and antioxidant benefits. I don't know why they didn't add lightweight here, because this is a very ultra, like I'm almost done with it. So I just take, guys, see. Oh my god, this is really the first time ever, because it's always hot in Lagos. I don't know the last time we had a Harmattan here ever. It's always hot in Lagos. So this is really the first time I'm doing all of this in the daytime, like doing all this stuff in the daytime, like this, right? But I'm doing this so that I don't look dry, you know, when I step out. Anyway, while we're waiting for this to, like, you know, sink in, I'll also be moisturizing my body. This is the only body lotion or body balm that has gotten me to literally repurchase. So I'm not I stick to one skincare brand per se. Most of mine, Adam do a big shout out. She gifted me the Lipikar balm. I'll put a picture just so I can move on. She gifted me this one time. My face is combination, but gets easily dehydrated. Like currently I'm going through that dehydration thing. Anyhow, my point is, she gifted me this small one and I got sold. Instantly, I got sold of my next one. Yes, it is. I instantly got sold out and I started to get it. But the good thing is, little goes a long way. So it is pricey, but no. As soon as I got this, I got their sunscreen for like combination oily skin-ish. Well, I'll do a review on that one eventually, but like I'm on 3 Laroche Posay products right now, including their cleanser. Oh my god, no. Anyhow, like I said, little goes a long way, so I will just, if you are in Shangotedo axis, and you're youth-ish, and you're looking for a church, you're looking for a fresh start, you're looking for a young-ish, spirit-filled church, LifePoint launches in a few weeks, and you should try. Attend LifePoint Church, or like an offshoot of the Elevation Church. But while the more youth-centered expression like branch, so or like the youth branch. So there's a new one launching on the 9th of February 2025. The location is Nova Cinema. It's a ShopRite at Shangotedo. Yeah, so LifePoint Greater Lekki launches. We're using Greater Lekki as our location. We don't use Shangotedo, but I'm just using Shangotedo currently, just so that you can understand. So LifePoint Greater Lekki, aka LifePoint Shangotedo, launches on 9th of February. Hopefully this goes up before that. I should go before the 9th of February. Like I said, if you are youngish, LifePoint is the place for you to be. If you have any questions, I don't know, you can ask in the comments and I would answer. So yeah, our 90 minutes is up. English is not easy, okay? You think you can talk until you start creating content. What? Yeah, so I'll just do my... So this is the Eucerin Sun Protection, Pigment Control, Advanced Spectral Technology, Hyperpigmentation Sun Fluid. It's a bit jelly, not liquidy, like the Laroche. Anyway, I'll do like a comparison between this and Laroche. But this is good because I was using it even before this deceptive Harmattan came up, right? Yeah, I was using it before deceptive Harmattan came up, and it looks like a greasy. It just looks like a greasy thing temporarily. I promise, because I don't even like anything that's greasy, right? It's sort of lightweight. It looks like a greasy thing temporarily on your face. Should have used an eye cream on that as well. I don't have the time at this time. Hey guys, I can't even drop it. Let me be serious. Yeah. It looks a greasy thing temporarily, although since this Harmattan, every time I've used it, there's literally no greasy anything. See, yeah, I deserve to live in a cold country because look at me now. I deserve to live in a country that is cool and cold. My friend is currently in Enugu and I've been begging her because Enugu is literally cold almost all year round. Last I checked, because I've not been there in years, but last time I was there, it was definitely not Christmas or any time that was supposed to be like Harmattan. I've been begging her that if she can pack cold in her box and bring it to me. God will bless her. She was not telling me that there's nobody that she has not seen anybody that is actually saying that my friend can speak grammar. Small thing, she don't need no grammar. And she just said that she has not seen anybody who is well suited for abroad weather like me. So like, look at me. I'm not layering all these things. Just look at the glisten. This is how this Eucerin hyperpigmentation sun fluid or sunscreen comes on my face. So this is just how it looks after the like other layering. Like, so remember I layered my Mucin, Serum, Moisturizer. I did it in like I did some one sit. Because I don't trust Lagos, right? In fact, as I'm talking to you, I have a strong feeling. It's just that this sunscreen, eventually, after the initial greasy thing, it sort of mattifies. Like it just stays on your face. It's moisturizing, but it's not greasy. I don't know how they really had it with this one. It's moisturizing. I just don't like it because it sort of has some strong fragrance. I'm not really like somebody, my skin's sort of sensitive, so I sort of avoid things with strong alcohol and strong fragrance. Although, since I've been using it, I've not had any flare up, so maybe not that bad. Anyhow, what was I even saying? I think I was saying that I'm really happy with this because I can step out now and weather don't change. But let me add my lip gloss. Okay, because I'm trying to have like a pop of color on my face these days, I I don't just bring gloss. So I line my lips and gloss it up. I'm still learning this. But this is a lip liner from, I have like two of them. One is like brown, brown, brown. I'll show you guys how like deep into this gothic thing I am. So this is like brown, this is rogue. So this is like wine, dark wine-ish. But this is from Didi Beauty. Hey guys, I don't know if this is how it's done. Let me leave this area for the makeup artist. Just a girl trying to go to church. Okay. This is me wearing church. Okay, I'm still in time. Go to church. Okay, this is repent. I don't know, to fly or not to fly. What do you guys think about this hair? Okay. I don't know the best thing about things. I'll just take my accessories to church. My friend helped me. Of course, I'm really liking this. Yeah, that's the in my next video. Go to church with